Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cinematic text transitions using CapCut. Alright, let's get started. First, open your CapCut and upload any video you like. And then add some text. Any text is fine. And then choose your font. I will use bold font. And I will adjust the size like this. And then change the text color to something that contrasts well with your video. Maybe I will choose red, like this. Next, add animations. And then go to in, and then choose animations that you like. I will choose this one. And I will adjust the positions like this. And from the start of the text clips, slide the timeline a bit to the right. And add keyframes. And then zoom in the text until it fully covers the screens like this at the end. Like this. After that, just go to graph settings and choose cubic in to make the transition smoother. And once that's done, just export the video. Now just repeat these steps for your other videos. Use as many videos as you like, it's totally up to you. And once you have done that for all your clips, just go back to your projects and then upload the final video that you want to use as the ending clip. Then upload one of the exported text clips and set it an overlay. Then go to remove background and choose chroma key. Choose color picker and place it on the text area like this. Adjust it until the video underneath shows through the text like this. And then just repeat this step for your other clips. And last, just arrange your video like this to create a smooth cinematic transition. And then here's the final result. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.